Wet molding 101. Spray the knife with the spray bottle. Do not dunk the leather. Make sure the backbone is lined up straight so that you don't poke the knife out the side, and then press it to fit. This is after you've sprayed the sheath thoroughly. Again, do not dunk it. Once you have it in, begin to wet mold or mold it with your fingers by pressing in around the sides, helping it to form to the knife. Then take a handle of a butter knife or a rounded object. You can see the wet molding tools on the bench. You can get one of these wood ones from Tandy Leather Company for about $7, or you can get one of these metal ones from Tandy Leather Company for about $15. But just about anything with a round surface that would not cut into the leather will work. And then contour as you rub, and try to rub it all evenly. Here again, just about anything will work. Just try not to dig into the leather and cut the surface with whatever it is that you're using. We're using a butter knife here, or a kitchen knife handle, because it's a pretty common thing that most people would have in their home. And then just work the contours. Try to make even strokes when you're molding, and go over the areas a couple times, and that will help polish the leather definition. Try to put even pressure and not dig in very much. Go over it several times until you have a desired effect. And then turn it over. And on the back side, we don't generally mold to the finger choil. We just mold to the handle. If you mold it to the finger choil with the added pressure that is put on when you put it around the contour of your belt, it would make it difficult to pull the knife out of the sheath. So only go around the handle on the back side, not like we did on the front with the finger choil as well. Once you have it to a desired look in the molding, then you're finished. If you can, find a 1.5 inch ruler, 1.5 inch wide ruler. A square is sometimes the best, square ruler, and place the loops over the ruler. This will give it a natural contour to your body, and it'll fit on your belt well. Again, smooth long strokes makes for even wet molding. And there you have it. Here's the part where I was talking about. Put it on the ruler, bend one side first, kind of press it, wet mold it to it, and fold it down. And then lift it up off the ruler and put the bottom on. And fold up and slide down. This makes it a lot easier to get it over the ruler the second time if you will do the top loop first. I always push the part that goes behind. I try to flatten it as much as I can. That's the part that would go against your body. And try to straighten it so the tip stays lined up. and that will help it from